Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Forest on PC and PS4. First, you'll want to focus on immediate survival. Gather essential resources like sticks, rocks, and leaves to craft basic tools and a temporary shelter. Building a small fire is crucial for warmth and cooking. Remember, the island is full of cannibals and mutants, so staying alert and preparing defenses is key to your early game success. We'll cover more advanced strategies soon. Playing the Forest on PC offers precise control with a keyboard and mouse. You can quickly navigate your inventory and craft items using intuitive hotkeys. Customizing your graphics settings is also a big advantage, allowing you to balance visual fidelity with smooth frame rates. Many players find that a higher frame rate, perhaps 60 frames per second or more, significantly enhances the experience, especially during combat or exploration. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for your system. On PS4, the DualShock controller provides an immersive way to experience the Forest. You'll use the left stick for movement and the right stick for camera control, with face buttons for actions like attacking and interacting. The touchpad is incredibly useful for quickly opening your inventory or viewing the map. Remember, the game features an autosave system, so your progress is generally safe, but always be mindful of when it last saved. Playing with up to 3 friends in co-op adds a whole new dimension to survival. As you progress, focus on building a robust and defensible main base. Walls, traps, and elevated platforms are essential for protection against increasingly aggressive enemies. Understanding enemy patterns and their vulnerabilities will give you a significant edge in combat. Exploring the island's extensive cave systems is crucial for finding powerful artifacts and advancing the game's narrative. Always keep an eye on your hunger, thirst, and energy meters. Maintaining these is paramount for long-term survival.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.